Alright guys, this is my first video on the YouTube channel. About to be going over my Schrader recap today. I'll be doing some live ones once I graduate high school, which I have like a month. I have a month and 13 days, and I'll be posting live. Probably do some vlogs too. So today was my worst trading day out of in the last 2 months. It's pretty bad. I had a high time frame blindness where I saw, all right, we got all-time highs stacked up. We see multiple unable to break through, continues up right here, continues up, comes down, looks like it's about to retrace back into this and go back up. Daily strengthened my bias even more because I had dipped into this, hadn't broken through, which ultimately my bias will play through today. I just entered bad, which is my fault because I was so urgent to hop into the trade. Alright, so first off, we have a SMT divergence from yesterday at 10:25 to 8:10. As NASDAQ as the leading index. But I did not follow my rules. We're at 8:30. So what I tried to play off as a retracement, this is where I went wrong. So I tried to play this as like I'm gonna get rid of this session. So here's where I messed myself up. So I tried to use this as the retracement where like it doesn't really work like that, bro. Damn, I don't even know what. I'm probably gonna have to edit this part out. Probably won't because I'm too lazy. But it just don't work, bro. Like, I was off the rip of market open, you know, I saw this happening. I went, let's go into 1 minute. I was just blind. I seen it break structure. Well, there's just so many fair value gaps. I was sussed out on those. Enter right here after it closes above this one. What do you know? Taps into this one. Goes down. Hits my stop loss. Minus 1,000. So, second trade I made money. Which is good. I waited for a better retracement. Came up more. Retracement down. Let me find it on the 5-minute. Alright, so yeah, it's still not able to break. Like, you see how this stuff goes through? You don't gotta, even if it comes down, as long as it doesn't close underneath the fair value gap, you're in the clear. So that was part of my bias. Healthy goes up, 79 extension rate, retraced back down into this fair value gap. Pretty sure same. ES, same thing. And it was able to hit equilibrium, strengthen my bias even more. Same with NASDAQ. 1 minute, let's find my entry. 1 minute entry was fair value gap, closure. I entered, had stop loss under here. I started going up. I had my original take profit here, but since I'm a pussy, I trailed, which I should not do. And dude, what is going on? I'm looking at like the wrong stuff. Okay, never mind. I'm tweaking myself out. It's like a terrible ass first video. So yeah, it closed. What was my confluence, bro? Like I gotta like. It's gonna be so much easier to do the stuff live because I like remember what I'm thinking. Like because I'm literally right in the moment. I don't gotta like think back to what like I was thinking. So yeah, I had my stop loss down here. Wasn't no. It was like right here. Stuff wasn't looking great, as you can see, right here. Um, I buy here because it taps into this fair value gap after closing above this slight one right here. So I buy there, comes down, it's about a hit, boom, rockets up, I'm up like $700. I trail because I'm not confident. And I was up 760. I trailed to 400, came down a bit, hit my trail, made 400, made half the money back from the trade that I lost. And then this is my biggest mistake, bro. Like this made it the worst trading day of the last 2 months. I have this money and make it back. Instead of holding, like I would be up like 1,000. I would have made all the money back plus an extra 200. Which would have been really nice. But trail, breathe some more. That's why I gotta get better with psychology, is just holding trades. Because this breathing room right here would have stressed me out. And like, I'm gonna definitely log this trade because every time I've had an experience where all the fair value gaps are like this, it's never been good. The price action has just been shit because there's just so much levels to break through. Even when there was I was so blind by the high time frame, I wasn't even looking at 4-hour daily bias. So that's probably where I went wrong, But I just saw like so many good draws to the upside on weekly and daily. So I was like, I remember thinking, I was like, because price started when I was looking at 7 a.m. Price was right here, right? We got these perfect draws in liquidity. Everything's matching up. I should not have traded today, honestly, just because of the giant sell-off. So, I don't know, whatever. I'm glad I'm catching myself right now. What else am I about to say? Alright, third trade. Be ready, boys. This one's rough. Take it on the lagging index because I'm not paying attention. Oh, I don't put my stop loss where it should have been. And I get stopped out because I was just thinking, I got whatever, I trailed, but I'm pretty confident it's gonna hit this high. So enter off the bat, not even looking. Stop loss under this. I don't know why I didn't have it lower, bro. I don't know why I didn't have it here. And then take profit, yeah, up here. But here's what it is. Takes this, comes down, stops me out. And we're having a giant sell-off again. So December 3rd, worst trading day I've probably ever experienced. This is my first trade video too, and it's a loss. This is a really shitty trade by me. Honestly, all 3 of the trades were shit. I'm lucky I even made money on my second trade. I took two more trades than I ever do. I didn't use my rules for 2 of the trades. So yeah, guys, pretty bad day today. Hopefully, someone else made money.